Golden Temple. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Kate Herrera here from Amritsar, India. For today's video, come with me as we go visit Golden Temple. But before that, let me survive first this bike ride. Yes. I hope that I will be able to reach there safely. If not, I'm sorry. Let's go to Golden Temple. This is also this is also a bike tour. But very quick lang. First, we have to survive this before we can proceed anywhere. Okay, so ayan. Come with us, come with me as I go. I will show you my outfit later. It's so flowy, it's so relaxing, so calming. And it's the first time that I'm wearing slippers because you also have to remove your shoes before you can go inside. So, I just decided to wear a slipper kahit it's super duper lamig. That's better na lang. Anywhere you go in India, first you have to survive the bike ride before you can go anywhere. First, you have to make sure that you're gonna be arriving safe before you can continue the vlogging. Otherwise, there's a lot of tourists as well. Okay. Okay, let's go. Saan niya ba ako dadali? parang bet ko na maglakad dito. Okay, let me tell you everybody honestly, my honest opinion about India. It's actually really beautiful. The place looks amazing. The structure, charotera. Ay, ayun naman pala. Golden Temple. Wait, gulat naman ako sa kanya. Oy. Saan daw ba? Hi everybody, I have arrived. So, it says 500 meters. So, let's do it. And let me show you around because there's a lot of things to see right now. Oo. Baka magsawa na kayo sa mukha ko. So, let me show you what's happening around. So, yes, this is what is happening. There's a lot of people here. And I'm wearing wait, bumubukas yung botones ko. They will see my ano bang tawag sa butas? Ano bang tawag dito? Shucks, nakalimutan ko. Pusod. Yes. And we don't want that. So let's keep walking. We're looking for the Golden Temple. Okay. 100 meters, turn right. Oh. Sabi 500 meters. Ang bilis naman nun. Wala pa akong 1 minute naglalakad. Okay. And then we're gonna go, ay, there's a lot of kalapate, oh. Hello. Daming kalapate, oh. Oh, let's keep walking, ha? This is, Golden Temple full experience, of course, in 4K. Wala ulo ka sa 4K, umayos ka. Tapos, pogi hunting this evening. Charis lang. I'm so tired. Ever since I arrived in India, nahirapan akong umaura. Wala akong time, my gosh, I'm so busy. I don't have much time because there's really like a lot of things to feature in India. So, I'm really taking advantage of that. So, let's keep walking. Hey, by the way, just to let you know, before you go here, for boys and regardless of your gender, before you go inside, you have to cover your hair or your head. So, head scarf or something. So, I have this. Pero later na yan. Hey, wait lang. Saan ako? Okay yun. Go straight. Way to Golden Temple. So, let's keep walking. Oh, again don't forget, if you're visiting the place, bring headscarf so you don't have to buy na. It's so malamig right now, but I'm wearing slippers. Yeah, because again, I don't want to, it's so hassle to remove your shoes. At least if it's just slippers, you can easily remove it. Oh, ayun, there's toast naman pala. Like 100. That's not bad. 100 rupee is, ano ba? 5 dirhams? Something like that. Okay, you can buy that. So if you don't have any, then just buy. But if you have, I think congratulations, like me. Yeah, just mirror. Thank you. Hoy, we are near the temple na. So, thank you, shukriya. So, let me put this na. Nakikisalamin lang ako. I just asked the shop owner if I can just go inside and let's cover the pusod. We don't want to show that. We don't want attention from guys. There's too much na. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, ayun, that's it. Oh, let's go. Shukriya. Oh, ayun. Okay, let's keep walking. Oh, ayun. Ganito lang yung atake. So, cover your hair, ha? Kung ayaw mo, edi wag kang pumasok. Charis! Gago, di ba? Kaya hindi ako pwedeng maging teacher. Kasi ano ako? Hala, ang ganda! Hala siya! Shukriya! Okay. Kaya, I watched a short video before coming here. So, I think I've watched that before, like long time. But, I just refresh my mind. So, when you go here, okay, let's go here. Saan ba yung entrance? Sorry, tanong ko na, para kasi ayokong maano. Sorry, where's the entrance? Entrance. Yeah, entry. Yeah, this one? Okay, shukriya. Oh, ayun. Uy, ang ganda naman. Tapos yung makeup ko, fresh-freshen lang, yung atake. Yes. Oh, ayan. Hoy, ang ganda nito! Hoy, let me be honest. Wait. Hoy, did you know na I almost did not go here because I feel super duper mega tired. I travel like I think every week almost 21 hours. Ano mo na yun? Remove the waiting time, the hassle. Imagine those things. That's so. I think I should take picture now. While it's still early, I'll continue the talking later. Oh, everybody, so wait, where's the entrance? wait, we have to follow the entrance and remove our sleepers. Saan ko nalagay yung sleepers ko? Alam mo, tanggalin ko na nga lang. Tinanggal ko na lang. Ang lamig sa paa, shit. Wait, I can keep it. There.
Come on, I shoes, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Shoes, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Shoes, okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay na. Masyado kang madikit, but thank you. Oo. Naramdaman ko yung katawan mo sa likod ko eh. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I no camera.
Sorry?
No camera.
Here or inside?
I am.
Here is still okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. The camera there.
No, I am.
Hi, I'm going inside na, so I think camera is not allowed once you're inside. So, let's go. I'll try to see it for myself and share to you my insight about the place. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. And everybody, again, welcome to Golden Temple, K. Toretto. Hi, everybody. So let me just show you what I can see inside. Right now, I'm just using my phone. A lot of people are telling me that phones or cameras are not allowed, but everyone is taking pictures literally, and taking videos. So it's okay. So, just for me to show you what you can see inside. So this is what it looks like, and it's so beautiful. It is just to make sure, if you're coming here in Amritsar, India, make sure not to miss this place and be very respectful about their religion and what's happening around. So just observe. Just to be sure, I see this guy. Diba, he's taking a video. So I think professional cameras or any other types of cameras are not allowed aside from your mobile phone. So ayun. I don't know what is this, but I think let's just save that for this for them. I think that's something that's really holy for them. So I'm gonna ask if it's okay for tourists to check it. But if not, that's totally okay. But again, this is so beautiful. Wala lang akong kasama eh. No one can take a good picture of me. Tripod, of course, is not allowed. I can't use my camera, so kakaloka. So as you can see, a lot of people are, doing their spiritual thing. So this is the line going to the Golden Temple itself. But I don't want to go there. Let's save it for the people na lang who really understand what's inside. So yeah, there. As you can see, this is the entrance going to that very beautiful Golden Temple. Like really, the line is really long. And a lot of people around are doing, again, their spiritual thing. So wherever you go, they're like, making samba. I don't know if that's the right term, but yeah. So here, see that line? Oh, there's a lot of people over there. So let's save it for, I think they are called Sikh. That's their religion. If I'm not mistaken, if I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. Oh, here you go. Let's go a bit closer. So yeah. Okay. Hi everybody, so that's gonna be it. So that's the short, quick, full experience. Not full, because there's really a lot of things to do inside the temple, but I didn't bother to do that. Wala lang, I just want to see it for myself. And for me, it's such a nice place. Like holy, and I think it's an eye opener to be like be respectful in any kind of. I'm good, thank you. In any kind, to all kind of religions that we have in this world. Because when you go inside, and you're really gonna find it interesting. Like the tree, they kind of like How this is samba in English? Basta. They pray under the tree, things like that. So, yun lang. Be respectful and enjoy it, cherish it, observe. Yun lang. So, ayan. That's gonna be it. You know me naman, di ba? If it's like holy places, I don't really make like a lot of vlog and like long contents. Unless it's okay. But here, it's kind of, I just kind of felt like not to do like a lot of things inside. Again, there's a lot of things to see, but yeah, it's for you to see, for you to find out. I was not even able to take a good photo because I'm alone. The place is so it's so beautiful, really. If you have someone who can take a good photo of you, trust me, it's beautiful inside. But I am alone. What to do? So okay, let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home na. But a quick tour around the place, why not? Because it's beautiful also. So it's like ano ba to? Hala, ano yun? Diba? Bigla ako nawala sa wish. And may paa is so masakit because you have to remove your slippers or shoes. And the tiles is so malamig. So ayun. Okay, let's go home. Itutuloy ko na lang kayo dito. Some other time. Maybe next visit. For now, I'll go home. I'm tired. I don't know why. Hoy again, babay na. Pagod na, diba? Napagod na mag-vlog. Bakit? When you're tired, you don't have to force yourself. You take rest. Yes. Passion. Vlogging is my passion, but I'm also getting tired. I'm just a human. I'm so sorry, everybody. Sige na, babay na, diba? Totoong pagod. Babay na. Kayo Toretto, whatever you're doing, whoever you're with, I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.